Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and what we're going to do today is a rehab of your limbs. So the upper limb. So you're going to do individual rehab exercise for starting from your finger and going upwards. So you're going to do brachyradials, you're going to do your forearm, you're going to do carpal tunnel exercises, you're going to do few of those, rehab, which is very common with people sitting on desk and general profession as well. So you'll find a lot of people coming with a golfer's elbow and tennis elbow. So this is what we're going to cover today. So watch till the end. There are a lot of things which we're going to cover, especially the shoulders. Most of you guys might have a shoulder pain or a clicking while lifting this hand, and as you age you might have frozen shoulder as well. So you're going to cover all that today. So watch till the end. Right? Starting, if you come closer. Okay, watch the wrist. So most of you will do it like this, which is wrong. You're only rotating your carpal. Okay, what you're going to do is hold it like this in line and lift it up. You can see that your brake is working. Yeah, you can see this moving up. Yeah, so you're working your brake. You see that? See the muscle moving? So that's what we're working. Okay. Now just do that for your wrist pain. Starting with that. Okay. Take a lighter weight, very light, however you can handle. None of these guys have. Sumati is not there today, so she had a issue with the wrist. We have given her this. Doctor has had wrist pain, and now it's much better, and he's come out of it 80%. This is the first exercise for that. Okay, there is one more which is coming up. So twist your wrist upwards and drop it down. Do not move your forearm. Keep your forearm steady and just move your wrist. You need to hold it like this. Okay, so flat, okay, in between your fingers, and then hold it tight with the thumb in front and then flex it up. So you're working on your forearm. Okay, this time work up. Yeah, you can do another version of it. So hold it like this. So I've just held it on the tip and then flex it upwards. So there. So these are the two exercises. Next two exercises, 10 into 2. That's enough. That's more than enough, right? Yeah. Alright, the next exercise. Okay, so all the previous exercise, what you can do is you can do it with a water bottle or anything, any object at home. You can do this as well, like that. You can fill a water bottle, hang it like this, and then rotate. Now, if you don't have something that heavy, this is about 5 kgs. People are using 10, 15, so you might not have something this heavy to just rotate your hand together. All you can do is take a long stick which is heavy, a hammer. Ideally, take a hammer and rotate it like this. Okay. That's an easy way to do that. Okay, so take a hammer and do the rotation. So this is for your metacarpals again. So you're going to do a flexor digitorum exercise next. So we have covered till your forearm now. The next exercise is for the flexor digitorum. Okay, so you're going to flex your digits. That's what you're going to do. So in this exercise, you need a weight and a table or a bench so that you can flex it. So what you're going to do is going to hold this, okay? You can actually take a reference now. Let's say if this is a table, and hold the thumb like that and flex it. This is the light weight, so it's easy to lift, okay? So, okay, they're all laughing, but yeah. So lift, crunch your hand. The same exercise as you get in a gripper is exactly what you're doing. You can use a table like this, get it onto the table, and then flex. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. All right, the next exercise, we have strengthened the forearm. Okay, everything on all sides now. We strengthen the fingers. Now what you need to do, grip, hang. Okay, when you hang, just let go, pull up your scapula a little bit, and then hang like that. And just stay there without moving, and stay as long as you can. And it's a wonderful exercise. You'll realize that very soon.